G'day guys, this is just a quick vlog. I don't do many of these things because I don't often have that much to talk about to camera, but a few things coming up. We're thinking about doing a brief trip away in the next couple of weeks to the Midwest area, up as far as probably Geraldton and inland from there. Nothing definite yet, we haven't really worked out any of the details, but it's just a little thing we're thinking about doing. We're looking for suggestions of places to go up there. Of course, you know, we do the Abandoned Western Australia Facebook page, so we're always looking for abandoned places to film and photograph. Also campsites. We do know most of the campsites in that area, and we'll probably be revisiting some of those to do a bit of filming where we've only done stills before. We're getting much more into video now, so as you can see, our video channel on YouTube is growing quite consistently. Earlier this year we got kicked off the partner program because we hadn't reached 1,000 subscribers. We only had about 250. We worked hard for about 6 weeks and got ourselves up to the 1,000 subscriber mark, only to find that YouTube really doesn't give a damn about getting the backlog sorted out, and we're still doing this for no revenue on YouTube, and we'll probably be doing so until June or later, when maybe the backlog will get cleared. We just bought ourselves a new shower tent. The brand name is Swan. Never heard of it before, off eBay, so who knows what sort of quality it is. I will be doing a review on that fairly shortly. Has some good points, has some bad points. We don't really know what it's going to be like yet. We've always used the pop-up style in the past. This one has fiberglass rods, so a little different to the shower tents that we're used to using. A little bit more effort to put it up, but we'll see if it's more stable. The reason we haven't gone with the pop-up style this time is because honestly we can't find one that's strong enough. Everything we've looked at so far has been wobbly and they fall over in the slightest breeze. You'll see an example of that in one of our older videos. So that's one review that will be coming up shortly. Another review is not for camping gear, but we've got ourselves a couple of gimbals that we use. I'll just fire these up. They're both quite different in their own way. This is a Feotech, however you pronounce the name. This is a Z1 Rider gimbal. This is our old original gimbal, which I finally managed to repair. And as you can see, a little similar in some ways, except for the fact that the Z1 Rider has this separate handpiece which you use to control it. The Feotech is a more modern gimbal, and you would think it would be better, but we found that when panning with it, it often is inclined to jump rather badly and rather abruptly and ruin a piece of footage. Both the gimbals have a problem that they will connect with the handle. Neither of them are built far enough away from the handle. You have to tilt the handle out this way in order not to connect with it at all. This one is a full 360, has a selfie mode. The Z1 Rider does not have the same number of modes. It does, however, have a useful little connection on here for GoPro equipment, where this Feotech doesn't. The Feotech is more controllable in some ways. You have a little button on the back that allows you to move the head up and down and sideways, but it's just that nasty little jump that it sometimes has when you're panning like this. Of course, while I've got the camera on and I'm filming it, it's not doing it. But anyway, we will do a little side-by-side comparison with these two. The Z1 Rider is quite a bit older technology, but I would say it's a better gimbal, honestly. I've never had an issue with footage jumping, and apart from the fact that these cables occasionally will give up and you have to replace them, it's been a very good little gimbal. So as soon as I can, we'll do a little side-by-side test with these, and it won't be a particularly long video. I'm not going to go into too much detail with these, but it'll be interesting to see just how smooth the footage is between these two gimbals. The only other real item I want to have a little quick chat about at the moment is a new video channel. It's Dorothy's cooking channel. She's been busy making cooking videos. She's an amazing cook, does some really good Asian recipes, and she's doing a cooking class channel where she teaches you everything you need to know about making great Asian food. I've been fairly busy helping her set the channel up, and of course do the filming and the editing for the channel, so that's my connection with it. We'll just hop across and have a look at the channel now. It's called Let's Eat Malaysian. She has a website and a Facebook page and this YouTube channel now, and there's a few videos building up. We've got 7 videos up at the moment, and we have 7 more already filmed and scheduled to be released each week. The videos come out every Wednesday, so if you're interested in cooking, I know it's a bit off topic for our main channel, but it's a great channel for anybody who's interested in cooking Malaysian food, and Dorothy takes you through step by step. It's not one of these 5-minute recipe channels where you really don't get to see what happens in the cooking process. She takes you through each recipe from scratch, and anybody can follow this and cook. Even I can do it, which is amazing. Okay, back to our main channel for a minute. We are approaching 400 videos now on this channel. A lot for you to watch, a lot for you to see. Our subscriber rate is growing slowly, so we're over 1,000 subscribers now. That I hope will keep growing. We also have a schedule now for our main YouTube channel. Our videos come out every Saturday, so watch out for those. And of course we've got our normal Facebook pages, Western Australia Now and Then, Folklore of Western Australia, Camping in Western Australia, and Abandoned Western Australia. So it's still quite busy. We're coming up to winter now. We're in the last month of autumn, so things are cooling down drastically. We probably won't be doing as much camping. The next trip in the next couple of weeks will probably be the last one until spring. So I'll be settling down here in the office, such as it is, and working on the website and working on producing new videos, and of course working on the Let's Eat Malaysian channel to get some more videos for that put together. So that's about it for now. I don't have much else to talk about. Hopefully by the time we run out of videos to put up on our channels, the weather will have turned around again, and we'll be starting to think about getting out on the wildflower trip for 2018. Okay, cheers. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.